Welcome to Ecolution, your go-to channel for all things eco-friendly and sustainable. In today's video, we're going to embark on an exciting journey, a journey that takes us beyond the confines of our comfort zones and into the extremes of our world. We're talking about the incredible power of the sun and how we, as a species, have learned to harness it in the most challenging conditions. From the scorching heat of deserts to the freezing cold of the polar regions, from the highest mountain peaks to the depths of space, solar power has proven its resilience and adaptability. Here's an interesting fact. Did you know that solar power plants in space could potentially provide unlimited energy? That's right, folks. So buckle up, because we're about to delve into the world of solar power in extreme conditions. It's going to be a ride full of surprises and discoveries, and we're thrilled to have you with us. Let's get the ball rolling. Harnessing the sheer force of the sun, a power so tremendous that it defies the constraints of extreme temperatures, is one of humanity's most astonishing achievements. This is the incredible world of solar power, an inexhaustible source of renewable energy that has proven its mettle in the harshest conditions. As a fun fact, did you know that solar panels are both heat and cold resistant? They can function effectively in temperatures as low as -40 degrees Celsius and as high as 85 degrees Celsius. That's a testament to the adaptability of this fascinating power source. Even under the severe swings of temperature, solar energy maintains its efficiency, a true display of its resilience. This is no longer an insurmountable challenge, thanks to the breakthroughs in material science and temperature control systems. These cutting-edge technologies have paved the way for solar panels to operate at their peak potential, regardless of the environment's intensity. From the blazing heat of the desert to the bone-chilling cold of the Arctic, solar power stands firm, proving that it can be harnessed effectively in any condition. Continuing from where we left off, it's worth noting that solar power is becoming increasingly common at high altitudes. Despite the challenges, many mountainous regions and towns are harnessing the sun's energy to power their homes and industries. However, the deployment of solar power in these areas comes with its own set of unique challenges. The harsh and unpredictable weather conditions at high altitudes can significantly affect the panel's performance. Snow, hail, and strong winds can damage the panels, affecting their longevity and efficiency. Therefore, it's essential to invest in durable, weather-resistant panels that can withstand these tough conditions. Moreover, snow accumulation on the panels can block sunlight, thus reducing power generation. To tackle this, solar panels should be installed at an angle to facilitate the natural sliding off of the snow. Furthermore, transporting and installing solar panels at high altitudes can be a daunting task due to the difficult terrains and thin air. Specialized equipment and trained personnel are required to handle these installations. On a brighter note, some solutions are specifically designed to address these problems. For example, lightweight portable solar panels have been developed for high-altitude application, which are easier to transport and install. In addition to this, frequent maintenance and inspection of the panels are critical to ensure their optimal performance. Innovative technologies, such as drones, are now being used for this purpose, making the task less labor-intensive and more efficient. Now here's a fun fact. Did you know that solar panels actually perform better in cooler conditions? That's right. At high altitudes, the cooler temperatures can enhance the efficiency of solar panels, leading to increased power output. It's just another reason why high-altitude solar power is such an exciting field. Despite these challenges, the benefits of harnessing solar energy at high altitudes are immense. The continuous and direct sun exposure can result in higher energy yield during the daytime. Also, solar power is a clean, renewable source of energy that significantly reduces reliance on fossil fuels, thereby contributing to the mitigation of climate change. Therefore, it's a viable and sustainable option for power generation at high altitudes, provided the associated challenges are adequately addressed. As we move from the towering peaks of mountainous landscapes, we transition into the starkly different environments of the coast and sea. The unique characteristics of these locations present an intriguing mix of challenges and opportunities for the harnessing of solar energy. In coastal regions, the abundant sunlight makes them ideal locations for solar power installations. Yet, the high levels of salt in the air can pose a significant threat to the longevity of solar panels and related equipment due to corrosion. To counteract this issue, manufacturers have innovated by developing solar panels equipped with anti-corrosive coatings materials that are resilient to salt damage. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that coastal areas typically receive about 10% more sunlight than inland areas due to fewer clouds and less air pollution, making them even more ideal for solar power generation? In the middle of the ocean, on ships or offshore platforms, solar panels can serve as a beneficial source of energy, reliance on fossil fuels. However, these settings the panels to severe weather conditions, including potent winds and tumultuous waves. In response to these challenges, engineers have crafted sturdy mounting systems and protective structures. Despite these hurdles, the potential of solar power in coastal and maritime environments is vast, considering the enormous stretch of the world's oceans and the extensive sunlight they receive. Solar panels, these modern wonders of engineering, are meticulously crafted to endure a variety of weather conditions, demonstrating impressive sturdiness. Yet, they're not immune to every hazard. Severe weather circumstances, such as hurricanes' violent rage, tornadoes' destructive force, or the ruinous effects of hailstorms, pose a strong threat that tests the panel's resilience. Interestingly, did you know that solar panels can actually generate more energy in colder temperatures? Extreme cold can boost their efficiency, making them surprisingly useful in harsh winter conditions. In order to harness solar energy effectively in these severe weather conditions, engineers have employed a range of strategies. They've bolstered the panel designs for increased durability and introduced robust anchoring methods and robust mounting systems to tightly secure the panels to their base, providing additional defense against such environmental threats. These techniques collectively lessen the risks posed by rough weather, contributing significantly to these vital solar power systems' lifespan. In the isolated corners of the world, where the grid is often inaccessible, solar power shines as a beacon of hope. These are the locations where traditional methods of electricity supply falter due to their isolation or the challenging terrain that makes grid connections nearly impossible. Solar power steps into this void, becoming more than just a convenience. It transforms into a lifeline for these secluded communities. By tapping into the sun's energy, an ever-present and renewable source, solar power presents a viable solution to this urgent problem. Here's a fun fact. In many of these remote locations, solar power is more widely used than in urban areas, as it's often the only reliable source of energy. To ensure a consistent and reliable flow of energy, communities often resort to battery storage systems and backup generators. These devices serve as a buffer, storing the surplus energy generated during the peak sunlight hours for utilization during times of higher power demand or limited sunlight. They ensure an uninterrupted supply of electricity, a critical factor for those living in these remote areas. Thus, solar energy lights up lives that would otherwise be left in darkness. In environments known for their dusty or sandy nature, a unique challenge arises for solar panels. Over time, dust and debris build up on the surfaces of these panels, which can greatly inhibit their efficiency. This is because these particulates block the sunlight, preventing it from reaching the solar cells that are tasked with converting solar energy into electricity. Confirming this, research has shown that even a thin layer of dust can cause a drop in power output of up to 25%. The importance of regular maintenance and cleaning, therefore, cannot be overstated. This includes washing the panels with water, employing a soft brush to remove the hardened dirt, and scheduling regular professional inspections. By committing to these maintenance practices, one can overcome the challenges of these environments, ensuring that the panels are operating at their highest efficiency and fully harnessing the power of the sun. But here's a fun fact. Some of the largest solar power plants are actually located in some of the dustiest places on Earth, like the deserts of Morocco and California. They have special cleaning systems in place to keep the panels dust-free. It's an exciting testament to human ingenuity, overcoming challenges to harness the clean, renewable power of the E. In the polar regions, the formidable icy landscapes offer unique challenges for solar power systems. The extreme temperatures and unpredictable weather patterns in these areas necessitate the use of advanced technology for efficient solar energy harnessing. Dim sunlight for significant parts of the year is a common occurrence in these places, prompting the need for specially designed larger panels. These, often larger than those used in more forgiving climates, are ingeniously engineered to capture whatever limited sunlight is available. The role of advanced tracking systems is indispensable in these conditions. These state-of-the-art systems trace the sun's path across the sky, ensuring that the panels absorb the maximum quantity of available sunlight. Here's a fun fact. During the summer months, the polar regions experience 24 hours of sunlight, known as the midnight sun, which leads to a continuous production of energy. The use of solar power generators extends beyond mere convenience in the polar regions. They are indispensable. They serve as a lifeline, providing a critical power supply in these remote and unforgiving environments. Therefore, solar power holds a crucial role in these distant and harsh lands. Solar power's utilization is not restricted solely to our home planet Earth. Rather, it plays an instrumental role in extraterrestrial endeavors, extending its power to the furthest reaches of our outer space and lighting up the dark of the moon. The use of solar power in these contexts necessitates the development and application of highly advanced technology and sophisticated engineering principles. Special solar panels, unlike any you would find on Earth, have been meticulously engineered for these cosmic applications. But what sets these panels apart from their Earth-bound counterparts? These panels are far from typical energy collectors, having been uniquely designed to endure the unforgiving conditions of the space environment. They are built to function optimally in the vacuum, where there is no air to carry heat away from the panels, and they're capable of handling the drastic temperature fluctuations, which are a common occurrence in space. In the face of these harsh conditions, these solar panels prove their mettle by surviving and thriving. They've withstood the test of time and have proven themselves to be a highly reliable source of energy, powering countless spacecraft and lunar missions. Here's a fun fact. The Juno spacecraft, which is currently orbiting Jupiter, is the furthest solar-powered trip NASA has taken. Its solar arrays are massive, spanning over 60 feet. Even at such a great distance from the Sun, they generate enough power to keep the spacecraft operational, demonstrating the immense potential of solar power in space. Their reliability, which remains unfaltering even in the harshest of conditions, cements their position as an integral player in space exploration. From providing power to maintain life support systems, facilitating communication between astronauts and mission control, to powering rovers that traverse the alien landscapes of distant planets, solar power is instrumental in the quest of space discovery. Its ability to provide a sustainable and reliable source of power has not only brought critical missions to life, but continues to fuel the dreams of future extraterrestrial exploration. Hence, solar power, beyond its terrestrial benefits, has proven to be an indispensable source of energy for spacecraft and lunar missions. Deserts located across our very own planet Earth are unparalleled in their distinctive characteristics. They provide a bounty of sunlight, an ever-present yet untapped resource. However, their dual nature also presents the challenge of extreme temperatures, blistering heat in the daylight and bone-chilling cold during nighttime. This makes them a difficult landscape for any infrastructure, including solar power setups. Solar power structures in these harsh environments require not just robust and long-lasting materials to endure the severe heat and cold, but also high-grade cooling systems. These systems play a vital role in preventing overheating and assuring the maximum efficiency of the solar power installations. Even amidst these harsh conditions, the presence of solar power in deserts beautifully illustrates its resilience. It decisively highlights the enormous possibilities that solar power provides for the future, addressing our energy needs here on Earth. Now here's a fun fact. The largest solar power plant in the world is actually located in a desert, the Mojave Desert in California to be exact. It serves as a testament to the potential of harnessing solar energy in such extreme environments. Harnessing power from the intense rays of the sun, solar power proves its resilience and versatility in the most extreme conditions. It's an interesting fact that the International Space Station is entirely powered by solar energy, which is a testament to solar power's versatility and resilience, even in the harsh conditions of space. From providing a lifeline to remote communities cut off from conventional power grids, to powering audacious space missions and moon bases, the adaptability of solar power truly shines. In the face of Earth's diverse climates, from the scorching heat of deserts to the icy chill of the consistently delivering reliable energy and establishing its sturdiness and dependability. It's time to recognize the strength of solar power. Its resilience in extreme conditions, and are not just a testament to the potential energy, but also a clarion call for a sustainable future. This is the power of solar energy, a beacon of hope for sustainability, promising a brighter, cleaner future for. As we conclude our exploration of the distinct and challenging environments where solar power flourishes, we hope you've garnered a newfound respect for the resilience and flexibility of this renewable energy source. But before we sign off, here's a fun fact. Did you know that just 1 hour of sunlight can meet the world's energy needs for an entire year? Incredible, right? There's no denying the sun's power, and its potential to revolutionize our energy framework is immense. With sustainable solutions like solar power, we can anticipate a future where clean, renewable energy is within everyone's reach, regardless of the circumstances. We appreciate your time in watching this video. If you found this video enlightening and wish to delve deeper into sustainable solutions, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ecolution. Your support enables us to keep producing more eco-friendly content. Keep an eye out for more videos as we delve into the captivating realm of renewable energy and sustainable living. Remember, every step towards sustainability counts. Let's make the world a better place, one solar panel at a time.